Hello everyone and welcome back to one another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to tag a transaction in Rocket Money. So actually guys, to do that in this app you will need at first to open the Rocket Money or Money app that you can get from the Apple App Store and even the Google Play Store. Even you can get the app from the official website. And then guys, you will need to go to the transaction or transactions tab, and to see this tab you will need at first to link your PayPal account and your checking account, and that's to proceed, right? So for me guys, I will need to link it, but currently or I can't do that because Capital or my Capital One account is blocked, right? So that's why I'm going to be specific on my explanation. So all you need to do is to tap the transaction that you want to tag inside the transactions tab, and then just select the tags option and choose an existing tag or tap create tag to make a new one. Then just enter a name for the new tag, and if applicable, save it, right? Then tap the tag to apply it to the transaction. Then just return to the transaction details, and your tag afterward will be saved automatically. So the tags lets you group transactions across different categories, making it easier to track spending for specific projects, trips, events, or other custom purposes. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.